Hi everyone, how are you? Today my menu children's special fruit cake. Take cashews, almonds, sunflower seeds in equal quantity, approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons. Chop them and fry it. I added walnut also. And fry 2 tablespoons of whole cashew separately. Then add 1 cup of sugar to pan and another burner. Put 1 cup of water to heat. Mix sugar continuously. It will caramelize. Once melted, then add boiling water gradually. Do not pour entire water at one time. How much sugar you took, that much of water you have to boil. Then add it to caramel. And add 2 tablespoons of black raisins and raisins and 2 to 3 tablespoons of cherries. Cut them into small pieces. I like cherries. Do you like cherries? Then add tutti frutti, 2 tablespoons. Enter these dry nuts and fruits should be 1 cup. And take 3 to 4 oranges and prepare juice. Take a half cup of juice is enough for this quantity of cake. Keep aside. Then take 2 cardamom, 1 small bit of dry ginger and cinnamon, 1 inch. Crush them. Then take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 pinch of salt. Sieve it. Sieve ground powder. And add 3 tablespoons of milk powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder or vanilla essence. Mix all the ingredients, then add orange juice and fried nuts and fruits, caramel, mix without lumps. Take a half kg mold and apply 1 teaspoon oil to edges and bottom. Place parchment paper. Then again apply oil. Now add half cup of water to batter and mix well once again. Holidays or birthdays, you can do this fruit cake. It is very healthy. And place it in mold. Transfer to mold. Then tap it 4 to 5 times. If you have oven, you can keep this preheated oven on 30 minutes, or you can put on pan on the stove, normal stove, and remove the bubbles. Then again tap it. If you find any bubbles again, remove it. Now arrange the cashews and almonds and heat the 30 minutes. If not enough 30 minutes, you can keep another for 10 minutes. Check it with a toothpick. If not touched, our cake is ready. Then stove off and cool down. Once cool down, you can remove from mold. Superb cake is ready at home. Now cutting time and tasting time. Super color, super tasty and finely cooked. Try this recipe, everyone. Then if you like my video, please subscribe my channel Food Menu, and please like, comment and share to your friends or relatives. Thank you for watching.